Hello everyone, welcome to jobskillshare.org. This is a news video with little technical stuff. But what's coming next on jobskillshare.org? Just like our help desk support entry level to specialist course, we teach you real stuff in this course, which is WordPress for a very entry level members. This means that you will be able to install WordPress for the first time, and whatever idea that you have, you can basically now utilize it. You can put it on web without worrying too much about technical stuff. So that's going to happen in this course. We are going to show everything from start to very good advanced level, where you can manage your full WordPress site on your own. But before doing that, a lot of people think that they have to buy things. So that's not what we are going to do. We're going to use a free hosting company where you would utilize and kind of learn things hands-on before you even buy other services or any other hosting companies. You would be using the same thing, and almost everything is the same. You will just need to learn this stuff hands-on. So we will create our first site. We'll use this system. We're going to get an email, we're going to activate it, and this is where you are going to come. And this is how exactly it looks on other cPanels and other hosting companies. They have these things in there, and then most of it, like managing email, creating new emails, subdomains, databases. How do you track your visitors, statistics. Auto installer is a big one. We were going to click on there. We were going to click on WordPress. Here basically we will name it WordPress, and then we are going to create our first site. And from here on, what's going to happen, we are going to create our first WordPress site, and that's what we're going to do. Basically, we're just going to get this password. We're going to go ahead and log in as an administrator. So for example, this is the WordPress site that we just created. Bam, and we have the WordPress site. And then here, if I put my email address, and there you go, if I put that, and I just did test 1 2 3, and now we are in the WordPress. Now it seems it's old, we can update it. You might get an error or something. We're going to click on update now, and now we are going to do in the next videos, in the course videos, where we are going to create our course right here. It will say something WordPress for beginners. That's what we are going to do. Just like our help desk course, when we start our course, we show you guys from scratch. Then basically we go down and do all these sections, and this is more than 100 hours. It's not going to be 100 hours in this course. Of course, it's a little smaller course, but we are going to do WordPress in different sections. So WordPress for beginners, WordPress for business, WordPress for this, that, and all of that stuff. We are going to do it. As I just did the upgrade, as you guys can see, it didn't work, but we will work on it. This was just a demo, very quick demo, for it to kind of start on it and see if we can start teaching this course. I'm going to remove this site because this stuff is not going to be available over there, but we're going to update it to a new WordPress 4.4.1, and this is where we will create our first site, which is going to look something like this. So if I go to my site right here, so that's what we're going to do. Basically, we're going to work in our admin side, do some things, plug in SEO and all this stuff, some good stuff, some basic stuff, and at the end of the course, you should be able to run your first site without worrying too much, because you will be learning some backup restores and things like that. So that kind of gives you a lot of confidence confidence for your own site for the first time, and this enables you to do something like this. I mean, this was an idea one day that I wanted to teach online, and today we have more than 9,000 students in just this platform. We have many other platforms that we used, and overall it's almost 15,000 members. So that's kind of idea, you will be utilizing your idea after this course online. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in this course. And this is where I always mess up. Let me stop it right now.